Bonjour, hello, Big Ben Thiessen here with Remax Executives and welcome to Windsor Park. That's right, we're here at 1026 Dugas, which is in the Maginot neighborhood. We've got a fantastic location here, great accessibility. We've got schools and all levels in walking distance. We're across from a park. We've got an arena, daycare. We've got a school of music nearby and your easy accessibility to the Lagimodiere Boulevard. You're gonna love the location, but let me talk to you about this house behind me here. Perfect for new beginnings. It is a beautiful bungalow, 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, fully fenced in yard with a garage. The house itself, updated roof, central air conditioning, updated windows. We've got a brand new kitchen, brand new spa-like bathroom. It's got a formal dining area. You won't be disappointed. Let's go check it out. This backyard is fantastic. You've got a great garden area, fully fenced in. You've got a nice deck space and you've got a patio area. Well, I guess that's going to conclude our tour here at 1026 Dugas. If you or anyone you know has any questions about this property, or maybe you'd like to book your own private showing, give me a call, text, or email. Or maybe you can think of the perfect person for this property. Add their name to the comments below or click that share button. Thanks, have a great day, and remember, I want to be your realtor. Lagimodiere, 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 Lagimodiere. We've only just begun to live white lace and promises. You should be a wedding singer. Like Adam Sandler. Or Adam Sandler would be like me then.